So hi guys, in this video I will be telling you how to install the official Balam kernel v2.1.1 for Android 11, 12 and 12.1. So the kernel was there from a long time, but now it is official and the ROM supports AOSP, Miui and Miui based custom ROMs, and I don't think it supports ROMs based on hentai or hentai based ROM. So this kernel works on AOSP and Miui as mentioned right here. So there are two modes, which is the performance. So if you install the performance kernel, it will be good for gaming and other tests, and power saving would be for people who don't play games and just use the phone for normal. And I have downloaded the performance kernel and I will be installing that and showing you Geekbench and Antutu tests. So once you have downloaded the kernel, it will be in your downloads folder. So let's go ahead and reboot into recovery. So you can press your power button, click on reboot and keep on pressing your power up button until your phone boots into twrp. So once your twrp is booted, you can go ahead to backup, and we can backup our boot and DTBO image, which is you can be backupping your kernel and boot image in case of any boot loop or something. So I have already installed the Balam older version kernel, so I am just backing up this. Swipe to backup. After the backup is done, we can go to home, we can go to wipe, advanced drive, we can select Dalvik cache, then we can swipe to wipe, and once that is successful we can go to install, and I have downloaded it, so it's in my phone's download folder. If you had transferred it from your PC, it would be here. If you have OTG, you can select this and go to OTG. Now let's go to downloads folder, and this is the latest Balam kernel 2.1.1, and do not check this automatically reflash twrp after flashing a ROM. So this should be unchecked, and do not check anything else, just swipe to confirm flash. So you won't be losing root if you install this kernel. So there is no, as you can see, match is directed patching kernel, so reflashing matches is not necessary. So once the installation is done, if you want, you can wipe your Dalvik. Now we can go to reboot and we can select our system. So let's wait for our phone to get booted into the system. So once your phone is booted, let's go in. So yes, the booting did have successful, and if by chance you were stuck in a boot loop, and all you can do is, so you'll be stuck in your Miui logo, that time you can keep on pressing your power and volume up button, you will boot into twrp, and that time you can go to restore, you can select your boot and DTBO image, and you can restore that, which will be replacing your kernel to the one you had before flashing this. So now, as you can see, these two widgets loaded properly and these two took time, which was normal as usual. Let's not go to this. Let's go to Geekbench and let me run a test. Okay, let me show you the tests. Run CPU benchmark. So now, as you can see, we have got a single core of 997 and 3319 as a multi-core, which is pretty good for Mi11X or a Snapdragon 870 to get that much. And you can see her score comparison right here, and multi-core also you can see. So these are the comparisons for that. And I have done the test for Antutu benchmark, which I have skipped. Let's open that right now, and let me show you the benchmark. As you can see, I have got 6,82,642 while testing with this kernel, and this is pretty good. Okay for this phone, and this is a decent score for this phone. Now let's go for the storage test. Let's do the storage test again. This 30,000 was done for a long time ago, so it can be ignored. So as you can see, we have got a score of 42,000, which is very good for this phone. and in some ROMs I did get 48,000. That might be because of some running applications in the background. As you can see, Geekbench is running right now. So that is it for this video. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe.